In this video, I'm going to share with you what your mindset and process and technical process should be every week when you start on a Monday or a Tuesday. So, the first thing, and always that will be the first priority, will be messaging people that you have just connected with the week before. Messaging is where all the referrals and sales come from, so that will be the number one priority. So we would go to the message, we would add search page, and then we would go and put in who we were connecting with the week before. In this case, I'm going to put realtor. It's always people. It'll always be first connection. Those are the only people you can send a message to. And pick a location, whatever locations you went after the week before. Let's say in this case it's Florida. We would hit start collecting. Let it go through everybody until it finishes. It'll stop itself. Then just go back to campaigns. I would go to the queue. I would go to the avatar no. And there's nothing there in this case. Put it back to any. But if so, we would have hit say 0 of 10 here, and we would have excluded them. Secondly, we would do the connecting. So whoever we want to go after this week, again, just let's pick realtor. It's the easiest for me. This would be people. Second connection, excuse me. And again, we would pick whatever location that we want to go after this week. So let's just say it's realtors in Florida. Again, we would start collecting. We'd let it finish. There'd be a big box down here that says it's finished. We'd go back to the campaigns or to the connection campaign. We would look at the queue, repeat the same thing with the no avatars. If there was somebody, we would put the 0 of 10 here, let's say. We would choose that and we would exclude them. Let's put it back to any. And would do the same process if there was another message or another type of connecting that you're doing. And you would be adding people specifically when these are lower. So they could be 0, they could be 100, could be 300 or whatever. You do have the ability to do 150 activities a day. So I would every Monday or Tuesday look at the amount of people in the messaging first, look at the amount of people in the connection second, and decide whether you need to add more. But that is literally the mindset and the process each week on a Monday or a Tuesday. So the rest of the week, all you got to do is press a button or pull it out of the dock and let it run itself.